morning, my bright kiddos. Happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. All right, let's kick off our Thursday with our bright brains and be awesome solving our puzzles today. We have our 3 puzzles just like every other Thursday. Try to recruit someone at home and figure out the answers to these puzzles. Our activity today is a Boom Chicka Boom summer style edition. Check it out this morning. Let's dive into our work for today. All right, today is Thursday. Today is our flannel versus tie-dye. Either rock your comfy flannel shirt or your tie-dye shirt, whichever you prefer. Remember, our read aloud is going to be here until Friday. Next week we will have chapter 7, 8, and 9. Today we are going to be doing as much research as needed. If you don't need to do any more research, then you don't have to do any more research. If maybe you have enough information for your books, because today you are going to be completing your books for your research. You are going to watch the video of how to create a book creator if you have not done so already. You are then going to watch a sample of a book read to you, Lions vs. Tigers. You are going to then be working on your second chapter. So yesterday you should have created your introduction and your first chapter of meeting the opponents and giving a little background information about each of your opponents. Today you want to make chapter 2, which really is chapter 3, by focusing on one of the subtopics to compare the animals. So the examples were defense, body, prey, and predator. Then you want to describe the actual battle as your conclusion. So you're writing more of a narrative style, like a story. There are examples here. So the example that I have here is chapter 2. My subtopic was defense, right? Defense between penguins and lobsters. And then my conclusion, or the fight is how I would call it, is more of a narrative style. So I'm going to read a little bit of this. So the penguin dives into the water on the hunt for his next meal, his bright white belly disguising him from his prey. So see how some information that I researched about penguins is in my actual narrative. The lobster does not see the penguin, but has a bad feeling. Diving deeper to the ocean floor, the penguin spots the lobster. The penguin opens its beak and pecks toward the lobster. Swish! The lobster swims backward quickly to get out of the way. The penguin swims around in a circle, this time coming up from behind. He slowly opens his beak and glides over the lobster. This time the lobster, trying to swim away, lands itself right in the penguin's beak. So here it's not really an informational writing style. It is more of a narrative of telling a story, right? We have some swoosh onomatopoeia in this part of it to show of a story, but still putting some informational facts in there as well. So that is what you're going to do for your conclusion today. And then we have the winner. Can you think of another way the fight could have ended? The lobster with the winner of this one. Today for math, you're going to be finishing up your glossaries. If you have not done so already, please remember to work on that. And you're also going to have a review video and an enrichment challenge page. Please make sure you're sending me pictures of your work. Yesterday, I only had 5 people send me pictures of their work. I can't give you credit if I don't see your work. And then, like the rest of the week, you have a science challenge for a STEM activity. It is optional, but it also is fun. If you do it, make sure you're leaving a flip grid of your creation. And as we finish every week, our early finishers activities. So that's all I have for you today. Remember to work hard, be kind, and shine bright. Bye, boys and girls.